Alright, I did grab a few things. I did go ahead and get the grad plates for $1.50. I feed some feral kitties in the back there, so I thought these would be great for just kind of filling them with food and throwing them away afterwards instead of trying to clean dishes each time. I did pick up the pens in the wrench, the screwdriver, and the hammer. I actually took the hammer to work today. It worked great. It was actually, the hammerhead was so heavy, it was kind of hard to write with. I mean, the screwdriver's got some heft in the handle as well. But the hammer, you could actually take and hammer something in if you wanted to. That's how solid it was. Well, it was so solid that when it fell and hit the floor as I was filing, it snapped in two. So I wrapped it up in duct tape to see if I could still use it, and so far so good. So now it looks like an actual hammer from my toolbox. So there were a few other things that I got, and for some reason I cannot find them. They may have already gotten put away. I know one was a t-shirt for my son for $4.88, clearanced out at $4.88. I'm trying to think if there was anything else. I think that was it. I think I got the 3 pens, the plates on clearance, and the t-shirt on clearance. And then there was always the ever-present, as long as I'm at Target, stock up on the kitty food. So thanks a lot for stopping in. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Thanks for going to Target with me. And we'll see you in the next video. Thanks, everybody. Bye-bye.